Hello everyone, if you like cartoons or want to create cartoons with your own story, then this video is definitely for you. In today's video, I will guide you through each step of making a complete animated cartoon clip, which includes creating images, converting them to videos, and so on. So the major issue we usually face while generating images through AI apps is that these apps do not produce consistent images, as you can see on my screen. But after watching this video, you will be able to do it, as in today's video you will get to know how to generate consistent images. So are you ready? Then let's go. First thing to do is writing a story. But here is a surprise for you, that you don't need to write it. You can simply ask ChatGPT to write a script for you, but you need to write a very specific and appropriate command so the GPT generate the prompt that can help you to generate consistent images. So you see, prompt is one of the most important things to be concerned about. As you see on the screen, I asked ChatGPT to keep the details of the character same in every image, so the details of the character came out same in the script too. Also, we can ask GPT to provide us narrations like I did. We will be using it later in our video. So our first ingredient of making an animated clip is ready. Now it's time to move next towards other AI app, that is Leonardo AI. So this app will be assisting you to generate consistent images. So for generating images, there is a trick that I will tell you as we keep exploring this app. So the first thing is to log in. That is free, and it only takes like 2 or 3 minutes. You can simply do it with your email account. After that, there are few steps to follow. So after signing up, you have to select a username and check it if it is not being used by other member of this app. And after that, you let the app know about your interest and simply next, and then you describe your role, etc. And then agreeing with the conditions, you will have access to the home page of this app. Now it's time for the main thing, that is image generation. So the option of image generation can be seen on two places, as in one is on the bottom of the screen right in front, and the second one is located on the sidebar on the, as you can see, on the left side of the screen. So after clicking on the image generation, you will see there are certain options that you can use that acts as a preset settings. As you can see, if you click on the first preset setting, and there are different preset settings, and I am using the updated one, that is Leonardo Phoenix. Also, you can also change the style, and I am going with the dynamic one. And for the dimension, you can also change the dimension, and as I am making a YouTube video, so I am selecting 16:9, and it's totally up to you if you want to change it or not. So now it's time to write the prompt for generating the images. Also, you can generate up to 4 images, and if you want to generate more than 4, then you will have to pay for it, otherwise it is free. Okay, for writing the prompts, you will simply go to the ChatGPT and copy the first scene and paste it in the prompt section. And in the end of the prompt, I'm also adding 3D picture style, and then you will hit the generate button, and it uses like 24 free coins to generate 4 images. So now, as you can see, I have generated 4 images. So it's time for the trick I was talking about earlier, that will help you to generate consistent image. So you can see 3 dots on the top of the generated images. You first have to click on them. Then you will see there is an option, copy seed. You have to select that option, and then you have to go to the left side on the sidebar, advanced settings. So there you enable the used fix seed option and paste the number there, and after that you can keep moving on by copying the prompts from the ChatGPT and pasting it on the prompt section. And writing 3D picture style is compulsory. You have to write it with each prompt, and as you can see, I am able to generate consistent images. So you will also be able to do it if you follow these steps I told you. Our next stop is Pixverse. I use it for converting images into video clips. But I'm not going to brief it because I have already explained it in detail in the previous video. So I will share the link of that video below so you can check it if you want to learn more about it. So the next thing is the audio. For that you can use your own voice or you can generate it through AI apps, and I used ElevenLabs. So you simply take the narrations from the ChatGPT and paste it on the box as you see on the screen, and there you go, you get your voiceover. Actually it has a limit of 500 words, so you cannot add more than that. So what I did, I copied the narration of each scene and then compiled the audios later on. I didn't add that here, but if you want to learn more about audio compilation, you can comment it and I'll go through it. Okay, now after getting our voiceover clips, now it's time to compile it. And for compiling all the video clips and audio clips, I'm using CapCut. I'm using it on my Android right now. You can also use the Windows version. So for the first thing is you have to select the clips scene by scene, like all the clips of first scene, then second scene, and so on. It depends how many clips you are going to generate and you're going to add for your animated cartoons. Also for the audio clip, as I told you earlier that I generated it from the ElevenLabs and then I compiled it, so I'm going to use the compiled version of the audio clips. And I am also going to add some light background music because it sounds attractive and give video a smooth look. So after all the steps, here come the results, and enjoy the animated cartoons.
In the heart of the jungle, Max the monkey found something unexpected. A crinkled old treasure map hidden deep inside a hollow tree. His eyes sparkled with excitement. Could this be the start of a grand adventure? With the treasure map in hand, Max was off. Grabbing a vine, he swung high through the jungle, laughing as the wind whooshed through his fur. He was ready for whatever came next. Suddenly, Max came face to face with danger. A hungry crocodile was blocking his path. But clever Max knew just what to do. He hopped from rock to rock, staying one step ahead of the snapping jaws. After a long and wild journey, Max finally reached the treasure. Deep inside a cave, a glowing chest waited. Max's heart raced as he opened it to reveal golden bananas. He danced with joy. His adventure had paid off. Max didn't want to enjoy the treasure all by himself. He invited all his jungle friends, parrots, monkeys, and even the crocodile, for a grand feast of golden bananas. Everyone laughed, ate, and celebrated together.
If you like the video, then subscribe, like, follow, and share our channel. Bye.